Today we're going to be installing ADD Offroad Stealth Fighter front bumper. It utilizes a radius plate design and is one of the most aggressive, tight-fitting bumpers on the market. It's got great features like a universal light mounting system to fit a 40-inch LED light bar, 4 10-inch individual lights or 10 individual cube lights, additional mounting for 10-inch LEDs behind the side panels, and heavy-duty reinforced clevis mounts and 3/4-inch D-rings. Now this install does require 2 people for the best results, so let's get started. We're going to start off our install by removing the bumper pods. Now these will just pull off by hand. Next we're going to go under the truck and disconnect the fog lights and the fog light harness connected to the front bumper. We're going to go ahead and remove the 2 7mm bolts here and the 2 5.5mm bolts in the front of the wheel well. Go ahead and repeat the same process on the other side. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove the bumper bolts. There's 3 on each side, 2 in the front, and 1 in the back. After popping the front valance loose, remove the 4 bolts and the clip that holds the air dam onto the truck. Make sure to repeat this step on both sides. Now after you remove your air dam, you're going to want to pop the valance back in place. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove our tow hooks. Because of how tightly the ADD bumper fits, we have to remove these factory bumper reinforcement bars. Now it's almost time to install the bumper, and if you have any lights you plan on installing, you're going to want to do that now. We've gone ahead and installed our Summit Racing 40-inch LED light bar with the supplied brackets from ADD. Now we're going to go ahead and install our supplied U-nuts. Here are 2 of the 4 bolts you need to tighten. Before taking them to their torque spec, make sure that the bumper is aligned on the truck. And there you have it. We finished up our ADD Offroad Stealth Fighter front bumper install. In just one afternoon, we've completely changed the look of our truck and added some protection too. So the question is, what are you waiting for? Thanks for watching. It's of a radius plate design and utilize... Yep. In this video, we're going to be showing you... Next, we're going to go... The 2 7mm bolts. The 2 7mm bolts here in the inner wheel well, which I can't say. We've gone a haul. It's almost time to...